Hi guys, this is Renee from iteachblogging.com, Renee Grosskreutz, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take content from the traditional WordPress editor and transfer it into Thrive Content Builder. So in this scenario, perhaps you've had a website or a blog for a while and you recently bought Thrive Content Builder and you're wanting to move some content from the traditional editor into the Thrive Content Builder so that you can update it or just want it there. You just want to have it there. Now, before I show you this, I do want to back up and talk about this for a little bit because I realize that there's an urge whenever you've bought Thrive Content Builder to want to get everything transferred into it because it's really freaking awesome, and I get that. However, that takes time just like everything else. So I want to tell you now, I myself did not and have not moved all of my page content into Thrive Content Builder. If the page is fine and serving its purpose, I don't see the point in spending the time on it. If I'm going to make some kind of significant change to the page content, or if something's broken in the page, like I'm about to show you here, then moving it to Thrive Content Builder makes complete sense because that's where I prefer to edit my content these days. I really love using the visual editor. So that's kind of my rule. If it's not broken, don't fix it. If it's broken or if I want to update it or change it, then I go through the steps to move it into Thrive Content Builder. So before I get into the steps, I just want to tell you what they are. Basically, I open up the page where it has the traditional editor. I cut and paste the content into something such as Evernote, and then I delete it from that traditional editor. I save it. Then I edit the page with Thrive Content Builder and repaste back in that information. So that's it. So let me show you. I say that's it. Like it's some steps. It's tedious, It's kind of the thing. That's why I have a video for it. All right. By the way, I also have a written step-by-step tutorial that you can follow with the associated blog posts, which I will link to in the YouTube video show notes down below. All right. So I found a page. Here's my page. I'm going to click on Edit. Now, as you can see, this is the traditional WordPress editor that you should be accustomed to seeing. For some reason, I don't know why, but right here, the pages are broken. The images are broken. So I'm going to want to make some changes. All right. So I'm going to just select anywhere inside of here, and I'm going to hit Command A because I'm on a Mac. If you were on a PC, you would hit Control A, and then I'm going to hit Command C to copy it. So Command A to select it, Command C to copy it, and then I'm going to come over to Evernote and I'm going to hit Command V. Do not know why V is the paste, but I guess because Control P was print. So here it all is. So that's really good. I'm going to come back to my WordPress editor and I'm just going to hit the delete key on my keyboard and it is all gone. Now, at this moment, whenever I hit update so that I can save this, the page will be empty. So if this is an important page, you're going to want to do this quickly, right? In case people are visiting the page. So come over here, click on Update. Wait for that to happen. While that is happening, let me explain something. If you just clicked on Edit with Thrive Content Builder, you would see all of your page content inside of Thrive Content Builder, but you wouldn't be able to edit it at all because it's with the traditional editor. You can't edit content from the traditional editor with Thrive Content Builder. It just doesn't work. Okay, so now that it's updated, I'm going to click on Edit with Thrive Content Builder. And it's going to spin for a second, go black, do its gig while it's loading it. All right. Now you notice this is a blank page because there's nothing in the page anymore. So the next step is to come over to Paragraph Text Element, click on it once, and then come back to your Evernote, Command A, Command C, come back in here and just click on that text. It's highlighted and hit Command V and we are replacing it. As you can see, again, my images are broken. Do not know why, but clearly that needs some cleaning up. So all of my content is back in here and it is broken as it was before. So all I do is click on Save Changes. Now, if you preview the page, you will see that the page is just as broken, but the content is still there, just as broken. It looks the same as it did before. Obviously, I need to spend some time cleaning up this page, but that's a different video. So that's it. So basically all you do, cut it from the traditional WordPress editor, remove it from there, but make sure you have it somewhere saved. If you don't use Evernote, you could use Notepad, Word, whatever your preferred tool is, just somewhere to store it for a minute. and then edit it with Thrive Content Builder, paste it back in there, hit save. All of your content looks the same as it did before. And now it's in Thrive Content Builder, and you can start working on it and cleaning things up. Obviously, this page needs a lot of help. So that's it. All right, guys, if you have any other questions about Thrive Content Builder, do let me know. Renee at iteachblogging.com. And I look forward to hearing from you. Blog on.